Welcome. Today I am with Soundcore Flare 2 and I'm gonna show you how you can connect this speaker to your iPhone. So at the first you have to turn on your iPhone. So tap on this power button. Click and hold it for a few seconds. And then we have to move our speaker to the pairing mode if this Bluetooth icon is not blinking. So how we can make it, just simply tap once on this icon. In my case, everything is fine. So I can move forward and we have to go for App Store and get Soundcore application. Tap Get, select Install. Okay, so as you can see right now, we can open this application, accept permission, and right now you can log in with your Apple account or you can create a new one, you can decide. I'm gonna continue with the Apple account. Click next, confirm all this stuff. Maybe you can also skip in the right upper corner, accept other permission that pops on your screen. And right now we can try to add our device, so we have to go here and click to add devices. We have to select speaker, we have to turn on Bluetooth on our device. Right now we can connect our device manually, so tap on this icon right here, select your Soundcore Flare 2 from other devices list. Then we can just go back for the Soundcore application. Select your speaker. And there it is. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. Right here we can adjust the volume level, we can play or pause music and also find other stuff. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.